Welcome to how to use exact location in Google Maps. So in this video, we are going to show you how to use exact location in Google Maps. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do here, you will go into your browser and then you will search for this like this one. Like let's suppose that you want the exact location of White House. So you will type here White House coordinates. Okay, you will type something like this and then you will copy this, you will copy these coordinates. Okay, like this one here, just copy this and then you will open up the Google Maps and just paste these coordinates here. And basically we need to actually search for this one. Okay, these are the coordinates, I guess. Yes, these are the coordinates. So we need this full coordinates like this one. Just copy this and just paste these coordinates here, this one, and it will take us to the White House. So here is the White House. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.